time has shown us that if we don't evolve, if we don't change, if we don't grow,
Mm.
then, you know, it'll be a story of what the computer did to the typewriter.
Mm.
Because you
Absolutely.
still have a typewriter, others have already moved forward. It's because
Correct.
some people got stuck with the typewriters and
Mm.
essentially it became obsolete.
Absolutely. I've time for
So,
two more questions for you now.
yes.
What role does empathy play in communication coaching and leadership development?
Okay. At the core of who we are as human beings, there's a heart, there's a soul, there's a person in there.
Mm.
And people trust and gravitate towards people they feel
Mm.
uh, understand them, can get them, can resonate with them.
Mm.